Welcome to Flat 4B, Leo.
Thanks, Maya. It looks great.
Sam will arrive very soon.
Perfect. I need a break.
Time for a quick snack. Soda and potato chips. Hi, Leo. I am Sam. Oh, hello, Sam. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Are those chips? Yes. Do you want some? Fresh apples go on this top shelf. My soda can stays on the bottom. Fruit gives you much more energy. Really? But chips taste so good.
Oh, why am I so tired? Too much sugar and salt, Leo. I feel very sluggish now. Drink some water and rest.
Here, try a fresh apple slice. It is sweet and crunchy. Healthy food gives good energy. You are right. I like this.
Let's cook healthy meals together. Deal. Less junk food, more fruit. Yeah, great team effort, roommate. Flat 4B is gonna be awesome.
Wash the vegetables thoroughly. Great job. Clean food is best. These carrots look super fresh. Fresh carrots give great vitamins. Red tomatoes and yellow corn. Green lettuce in the big bowl. A colorful plate is very healthy. Yeah. It looks like a rainbow.
No more soda with my lunch. Water with lemon is so refreshing. It keeps our body hydrated. Exactly. Drink 8 glasses daily.
This salad tastes amazing. Healthy food is never boring. Yeah. It feels light and delicious. Yeah. Your body will thank you.
I do not feel sleepy at all. Real nutrition gives clean energy. I am ready to work now. Good habits bring great results. Wipe the counter clean and dry. A clean kitchen feels wonderful. Put the spice jars back on the shelf. We make a great team.
Should I order a late night pizza? No. Home cooking is faster and better. Yeah. Can we really cook in 15 minutes? Yes. Let me teach you right now. Here is lean chicken breast and bell peppers. They are already washed and sliced. Preparation makes cooking very simple. I am ready to learn. Just a spoon of olive oil? Yes. A little healthy oil is enough. Yeah, listen to that sizzle. Stir fry gently for 5 minutes. Half the plate is colorful vegetables. 1/4 protein and brown rice. Yeah, this is the perfect balanced dinner. It smells so wonderful, Sam. Chewing slowly makes me feel satisfied. Yeah. Stop eating when you feel 80% full. Yeah, my stomach feels very comfortable. That is mindful eating, my friend.
Food scraps go into the compost bin. Wash the dishes right after dinner. No dirty dishes left for tomorrow. Clean kitchen means peaceful mind. I wrote down our quick recipe. You are becoming a great home chef. No more junk food deliveries for me. Yeah. Now we get ready for a good sleep. Good morning. I feel wonderful today. Good morning. Look at your bright smile. 1 week of healthy eating works. Your body has more power now. Warm oatmeal with blueberries and bananas. Add some almonds for healthy fats. This breakfast takes only 3 minutes. Fast, simple, and very delicious.
My focus is so sharp this morning. No sugar crash, no energy drinks needed.
Hello, boys. How is Flat 4B doing?
Welcome, Maya. Everything is fantastic.
We are living much healthier now. Your fridge is so clean and organized.
No more junk food inside. We prepare fresh meals every day.
I am really impressed by you two. Please try our fresh apple juice.
It is sweet and natural.
No added sugar, just pure fruit. Best juice in the whole building.
We mastered healthy eating. High five. Step 1 is complete. Look at the clock, it is 9:30. Time for our next habit, good sleep.
Just one more funny video. Oh, it is already 1 o'clock?
My eyes feel so dry and tired. This blue light is too bright. Oh no! Is it morning already? 5 more minutes, please. What a beautiful sunny morning. 8 hours of sleep feels amazing. Leo, did you sleep last night? I went to bed at 2 in the morning. You look exhausted, my friend. My head hurts and I feel dizzy. I cannot focus on these numbers. Your brain needs real rest to work. I made 3 mistakes already. Sleep is the best brain booster. I need to fix my sleep schedule. Tonight, we start our new night routine. No screens in bed tonight? No screens. Only calm habits. Step 1, phones stay outside the bedroom. Putting my phone on silent mode now. No notifications will disturb your sleep. It feels strange, but very peaceful. Warm chamomile tea helps you relax. It smells so soothing and sweet. No caffeine, just natural herbs. My body feels much calmer already. Turn off the bright ceiling light. Warm yellow lamplight is much better. Here is a wonderful paper book. Stories about nature and mountains. Reading paper relaxes your brain. 10 pages before sleep tonight. The words are so peaceful. I feel naturally sleepy now. 10:30. Time for sweet dreams. Good night, world.
A calm night creates a bright morning. Rest well for tomorrow's adventure.
6:30 in the morning. I feel completely awake today. Open the curtains for fresh sunlight. Sunlight tells your brain it is daytime. Yeah, it warms up the whole room. Natural light gives natural energy. 1 glass of warm water first. Yes, it wakes up your digestion. Yeah. To rehydrate after 8 hours of sleep. It feels so fresh and clean. Reach both arms up high, stretch to the left and right. Breathe in deeply and slowly. My back muscles feel great.
3 main goals for today. My mind feels so clear and calm.
We have 30 extra minutes this morning. Yeah. No rushing, no stress at all. Early mornings give us total control. This is the best feeling ever. Cheers to our new morning routine. Early to bed, early to rise. Healthy habits make us strong. Let's make today fantastic. My brain is working so fast. A well-rested mind solves problems easily. 0 mistakes in my spreadsheet today. Deep sleep is our secret superpower. Done! 2 hours ahead of schedule. That is incredible speed, Leo. No brain fog, just pure clarity. Quality rest makes quality work. My living room design is finished too. The colors and lighting look stunning. Good sleep unlocks creative ideas. We both won today's morning race. It is noon, and I am not tired. No afternoon slump for us today. We have extra free time this afternoon. That is the reward for good discipline. 7 days of perfect sleep tracked. Look at all those green check marks. Yeah. My life feels completely transformed. Consistency is the key to success.
You two look full of energy today.
We finished all our work early. Early sleep gave us superpowers.
You are the model residents of Flat 4B.
Screens are closed for the day. Time to go outside and move our bodies. Let's ride bicycles in the park. ASCT3 begins right now.
Just 5 minutes on social media. These short videos never end.
Ouch. My neck feels so stiff. My shoulders and back hurt too. 4 hours on the screen already? Where did my Saturday morning go? The weather outside is fantastic. I wasted 4 hours on my phone. Put the screen down, Leo. My body really needs fresh air. How about a digital detox challenge? No screens for the whole afternoon? Yes. Connect with real life instead. I accept the challenge. Tie my running shoes tight, bicycle helmets on, water bottles filled. I feel lighter without my phone. Real freedom is outdoors. Ready for the green park? Goodbye, screens. Hello, sunshine. Let's pedal for 10 miles. Flat 4B goes outdoor. Welcome to the Central Green Park. Yeah. The air smells so crisp and sweet. Ready to pedal along the lake? Yes. Let's ride our bikes. Feel the cool breeze on our faces? Yeah. This is 1,000 times better than phone screens. Yeah. My legs are getting stronger. Keep a smooth, steady pace. Cold water tastes so good after riding. Always drink water during outdoor workouts. Look at the ducks swimming on the lake. Nature is full of life and peace. Stretch your legs after cycling. Yeah. Hold the ankle and pull back gently. Yeah. It prevents muscle soreness tomorrow. Yeah. My body feels so flexible and light.
Leo, Sam, what a nice surprise.
We are doing a digital detox today.
Riding bikes around the whole lake. You look so healthy and energetic.
Look at that beautiful golden sunset. No phone screen can match this view. My mind feels completely... 10 miles of cycling completed. Great workout. Now time for step 4. Wash hands, take a shower, clean up. Personal hygiene keeps us healthy. Wash hands with soap for 20 seconds. Scrub between every single finger. Soap washes all germs away. Clean hands keep our home safe. Dry hands on my yellow towel. Each person has a private clean towel. Wet hands collect germs easily. Dry hands are healthy hands. Achoo! Cover my mouth with my elbow. Excellent habit, Leo. Never sneeze into bare hands. That stops droplets from spreading. A warm shower washes away all sweat. Fresh, clean clothes make my day. Clean skin feels so refreshing. My turn for a quick shower. A little moisturizer for healthy skin. Taking care of your skin is self-love. My face feels smooth and hydrated. Small daily steps make big differences.
Clean hands, fresh body, bright mind. Personal hygiene is a superpower. Now let's keep our living space spotless. Flat 4B is shining bright.
Open the windows for fresh airflow. Fresh air removes all indoor dust. The living room smells so natural. Good ventilation keeps our lungs healthy.
Vacuum the wooden floor smoothly. Sweep the corners with the soft broom. No more dust under the sofa. A clean floor makes walking barefoot lovely. Wipe the glass coffee table clean. Dust the bookshelves from top to bottom. Microfiber cloths trap all tiny particles. Organization makes every room peaceful. Cardboard boxes go into the blue paper bin. Sorting waste protects our environment. Plastic bottles into the yellow recycling bin. Small actions protect our planet.
Fresh yellow flowers bring life to our room. The apartment looks and smells wonderful. A clean space gives a clear mind.
Flat 4B is absolutely sparkling clean.
We cleaned every single corner today.
Teamwork makes housework super easy.
ACT 3 is officially complete. Our habits are stronger than ever. Wait, where did I leave my house key? Time for ACT 4, taking care of belongings. Where are my apartment keys? Did you check the key hook by the door? I forgot to hang them up yesterday. Let's search step by step together.
My blue project folder is gone too.
Your meeting starts in 30 minutes.
I left papers everywhere last night.
Clutter makes everything disappear.
Look under your gray hoodie here. My blue folder and keys were hiding. Clothes belong in the closet, Leo. I threw my hoodie on the chair.
We lost 20 minutes searching. Disorganization creates unnecessary stress. I felt so anxious and rushed. A proper place for everything fixes this.
Hang my keys on this wooden hook. Rule number 1. Always return items home. Now I will never lose them again. Perfect habit for a stress-free morning.
We made it with 10 minutes to spare. Great recovery, Team Flat 4B. Tonight, I will organize my whole desk. I will teach you the 5-minute method. No more lost belongings in Flat 4B. 5 minutes every evening is all it takes. Let's master organization tonight. Clear desk, clear mind, clear life.
5-minute timer starts right now. Let's clean this messy desk fast. Sort papers, organize pens, fold clothes. I am ready for the challenge. Important contracts in the top tray. Finished reports go in the bottom tray. No more loose papers on the desk. Clear categorization saves hours tomorrow.
Pens and pencils into the wooden cup. Ruler and scissors stand upright. The entire desk surface is clear. 2 minutes in, great speed, Leo.
Hang my gray hoodie on a hanger. Inside the wardrobe, neat and tidy. No clothes left lying on chairs. Your bedroom feels twice as big now. Laptop and charger packed in my backpack. Keys already hanging by the door. Tomorrow morning will be completely peaceful. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Almost done.
Finished in under 5 minutes. You beat the timer, roommate. Everything has its own home now. Organization is simple when you do it daily. 5 minutes of discipline changed my life. High five. Flat 4B is in top shape. Hear that? Maya is at the door. She will be amazed by our progress.
Good evening. Wow, look at this entryway.
Welcome back to Flat 4B, Maya.
Yeah.
Every single item has its own place now.
This looks like a brand new home. Where did all the messy papers go?
Sorted neatly into these 2-tier trays. 5 minutes every night keeps it clean.
That is outstanding organization, Leo.
No clothes on chairs, bed made perfectly.
Everything hangs on wooden.
Hangers inside.
A tidy bedroom brings peaceful sleep. Look at all these completed daily goals.
Healthy food, early sleep, no clutter. Consistency made these habits stick.
You two inspire the entire community. Congratulations! Flat 4B wins Best Apartment Award.
Thank you so much, Maya.
We are honored and so happy. You earned this through great effort.
Hang it right here on the center wall. A perfect reminder of our teamwork.
A healthy home creates a happy life.
We will keep it this way forever.
Good night, boys. Keep up the amazing work.
Good night, Maya. Thank you for visiting.
We are so proud of our new habits.
Time to reflect on our full journey.
Look how much our flat changed. More importantly, look how much you changed. I remember my first messy day here. We came a very long way together.
Lesson 1. Fresh food gives real energy. No more chips and sugary soda. Water and vegetables make me feel light. Good food fuels your daily dreams. Lesson 2. Sleep is your superpower. 10:30 bedtime, paper books, no blue light. Waking up at 6:30 gives total control. My brain works twice as fast now. Lesson 3. Put screens down and go outside. 10 miles of cycling around the Green Lake. Nature healed my neck and shoulder pain. Lesson 4. Clean hands and healthy hygiene. Taking care of my body builds true confidence. 20 seconds of soap and 2-minute brushing. Self-care is where respect begins. Lesson 5. 5-minute evening reset. Keys on the hook, backpack packed for tomorrow. No more rushing, no more lost items. Organization turns chaos into peace. Thank you for changing my life, Sam. You did the hard work yourself, Leo. We are the best roommates ever. Now let's share our message with the world. Build small habits every single day. Eat well, sleep tight, stay active.
Take care of yourself and your home.
Goodbye from Flat 4B.